Hello everybody. In the summer of 2011, I was in Dubai. So I thought, let me show you Dubai. I started from Dammam. This is Dammam airport. And you can see the yellow sand across. Then we landed in Bahrain airport, and took off from Bahrain. At 30,000 feet, a small vessel looked like this, and the sky looked like this. Then we were hovering around Dubai, and the first thing what one can see is the malls are in Dubai. The mall which I visited was Batuta Mall. You can see the building. And this mall is based upon the themes. We have got Thai theme, we have got Chinese theme, we have got Indian theme. And as per the culture of the country, the decoration of the mall or decoration of the section has been done. You can see the Arab costumes in the photograph. And there are many shops, very colorful. The bangle shops are everywhere. No doubt about it. And you can see the intricate design on the dome of mall. This is Indian elephant, and you can see the Indian art also. Do you think you are in Jaisalmer? No, please, you are in Dubai. Then China themes. We can see the paintings and carvings of the door, lampshades, and the complete roof is as if you are in China. This mall is so big that you have got a vehicle to move around. There is a kids section, cinema theatre. A very huge life-size boat is kept for the purpose of display. You can see the sky. It is artificial sky, and now we are moving into the Arab style of houses. This is the mall in the night, completely lighted. Now we will see Dubai skyline during the day as well as during the night. Traffic is very high all across the day. This is sun is setting. And this is Dubai skyline. Buildings are beautiful there, and the architectural beauty of the modern construction can be seen everywhere. This is Al Khalifa, Burj Khalifa tower, the largest tower in the world, the biggest, highest tower in the world. And you can see how it looks in the night. In Dubai, Diwali is every day. Every building is lighted up because so many visitors come here. I was told that in the year 2010, 2 million visitors visited Dubai. So really speaking, Dubai is simply thriving on the tourism. This is the road going towards the industrial area. There are 3 free trade zones, and you can see the clusters of the towering buildings. The road which is going to Abu Dhabi, okay, the same mosque which is lighted in the night. This is yet another mall, and dance bar is quite common thing in Dubai. Now let us do some work. This was the Fairmont Hotel, 5-star hotel, and I have just picked up some snaps of mine. Life is good. in Dubai once you are put up in the good hotel. This was the company I was working for. This is Basif Kanu. Basif is an international company and Kanu is the local partner in the company. After the work is over, let me show you some photographs of Dubai Rail. Dubai Rail is an overhead train and it crisscrosses with the roads. You can see the color of the Dubai train is blue, and this is a typical railway station overhead again. One train is equal to 6 bogies, and it's quite a good experience to be in railway. Now let me take you to the Emirates Mall. This is very famous mall in Dubai, very new one. Again, many shops and many shops attracting your attention everywhere. This is a typical Arab with his wife, and mall is really massive. You can see the camel. Now interesting thing, we will be going to the North Pole for the purpose of skiing. Here they have developed an artificial island within the mall, and you can see the inside of the mall, and you can, the temperature inside the ice mall is -5, and I was trying to do some skiing in the ice, so I am getting ready for the same. These are my skates, and this is how it looks like. It was a very wonderful experience to try. I was given a training for almost 1 hour, and then I tried myself, failed a couple of times, but all said and done, it was an experience, good experience, tiring experience. In the -5 degree temperature, I was sweating because of the stress. I was always worried if I fell down, who will be able to take care of mine? But somewhere down the line, you have to try and experience. So once you are in the Europe, you can again try it. This is a big ice ball which keeps on moving. This is a photograph of the people who are doing skiing. No doubt one should definitely try it. This is my friend Saurabh Shiromani who took me there. All the equipments of the skiing is available here. I will never forget this experience. Now let me take you to the Palm Hotel. This is the Palm Beach Hotel. The shape of the hotel is like a palm tree or palm leaf. It's very massive hotel, and to move into the hotel, to see the hotel, one has to pay the entrance fee, which is equal to 2,500 Indian rupees. It is a 7-star hotel, and you can see in the night how beautiful it looks like. I was telling my friend, this is a Taj Mahal of Dubai. We are moving into the hotel now. You can see the intricate carvings on the door, the shell lampshade. This is the main area, reception area, where this glass article has been kept, and it is at least 10 meters by height. This is the reception area of the hotel. You can see all types of paintings here. Okay, here in the Discovery Center you can swim with dolphins. Next time I am planning to do that. These are paintings. Then we are going into the hotel for the purpose of dining. The name of the restaurant is Saffron, and it is very big. It is theme based restaurant, and you can have